Today, we're gonna be driving some more Euro shit. Today, hold on, I wanna drop my stuff. We're driving a Mark 7 GTI. Would you like to give them like a quick rundown just on?
I mean, basically full bolts on, IS38. Performance package, so it's got R brakes, got the limited slip. It's on coilovers from the previous owner. I do not know what brand.
Okay. I think I remember you telling me that.
Yeah.
That's about it, right?
Yeah, man. It's really basic setup, just your IS38 typical shit.
Cause I've drove yours already, but I did a video on a stock turbo one.
Yeah.
So I needed to do a video on the IS38 one, and then hopefully I can get my boy maybe to let me do a video on his big turbo one.
Ooh,
so we could get
which turbo?
I think he's running like a Mabotech turbo. I don't think it's like the CTS setup or nothing.
Okay.
But I mean, he should be making like 450, 500.
Yeah,
I think.
I was thinking about doing that with this one, but kind of want to go a different direction.
I feel you. So guess we take it for a spin then.
Yeah, man.
All right. Bro, I'm a YouTuber now, bro. I got the whole setup.
That's so cool.
This shit looks wild as fuck on my head. Oh shit. It didn't break, it just popped off. Let's see. Where's my GoPro at? Get this live preview, make sure the camera ain't pointing the wrong way.
Let me make sure that is off.
Okay.
Yeah. And I ordered a OBD11 to actually fully disable the traction control.
Yeah.
And I get that shit, it don't work. Like I bought it off somebody and it just, it says it's like incompatible. It's an old model or some shit.
Mine is somewhere in my damn car, I think. We could, if I can find it, we could try it when I get back.
Right.
We're gonna slow down, cause I want some space. That rev match was on point.
I could turn the AC on.
Well, I forgot we have the microphone on the exhaust, so.
Oh. Does that pick up sound?
It does.
Okay.
Damn it, fucking fifth again. We're clear here. Oh no, we're not. Can never just do hood rat shit, you know?
Oh, I know it. I know it, especially right here. This is a whole ass retirement community. I don't really come on this side of town very much, so I forget where all the good roads are.
That road where that turn you were talking about is actually pretty good. But I don't know that road that well.
Okay.
This shifter feels really good.
Oh yeah. And I think it's stock. I think.
Yeah, it feels stock. It's just really good.
Yeah, I haven't really cared to change it at all.
It's quite the delight. This thing is smooth, man. My shit, boy. probably makes like 350, 360 wheel. Because I know when you push IS38s hard, they can hit 400.
Yeah.
But I think this is like an off-the-shelf tune, right?
Yeah, from Unitronic, and they're typically a little bit conservative.
Yeah, so I was probably thinking maybe like 350, 360 wheel, which feels really fucking good. Like this is plenty.
So I don't know how much power it makes or anything, but it keeps up with shit and goes around shit that I don't feel like it should be able to. Like a stock C7 Corvette. Bye.
Yeah.
Like nothing.
Alright, let me slow down. I don't want no tickets.
No.
But man, this is really good. This is really good power for this car.
Oh yeah.
It's not too much and it's not too slow. Like it's just enough. Like yeah, I wouldn't mind more eventually.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
Like it's plenty.
Yeah, I feel like this is the sweet spot.
Yeah, this is the sweet spot.
Because like, so I can get on it in first gear. It might chirp, but I'm not roasting the tires.
Right.
I slam it down in a second, it'll chirp, go. Whereas if you do like the big turbo, like your friend did, I don't know how that is.
Yeah, you're gonna need a tire then.
Exactly. From what I understand, it's basically just a highway monster then, which is cool if that's what you want. But you know, I like playing with it through the corners and shit. So like.
Damn, that feels good.
Oh yeah.
Can I get on it from first?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, it'll like chirp a little bit.
This shit feels good.
Hell yeah. See, and that's what I'm talking. Like with this power level, even in first gear, it's still usable.
Facts. And you had traction off. Now, what tires are these? Are these the Pilot Super Sports?
PS4S.
So that's like.
It's the next generation of the Pilot Super Sports.
Okay. Cause like, bro, I'm on fucking 595s,
bro,
and my shit spin all the way through first,
bro,
and I make way less power.
These are the best tires I have ever fucking used.
Yeah, I was expecting.
And they work in the rain. They work amazing.
They're in all season, right?
They're summer. They're summer, so I haven't driven them in the winter, but I got a whole ass different set of winter wheels, so we're good.
Right.
But man, these are the best tires I've ever used, and they lasted amazing. I've had them on for the last 15-20,000 miles, and that's still what you get.
Yeah, they're definitely worth every penny.
Oh, every penny.
Because I've always read reviews and shit about them, but like this is my first time actually driving one with some on them. Dude, these things feel good. Yeah. And they're quiet.
And I've never used the R888s, but I've heard that they're really loud.
They're really loud, but that's like a hardcore tire. Yeah. I feel like these tires would still work very good if you went big turbo, like from like third gear, which is where you'd really even use that power. I feel like these would still work fine.
Yeah. I love being able to use it in first and second.
Can we hit the highway again?
Oh yeah.
Then I'll just take it back.
All right. Is that all the footage you'll need?
I think so. I need to go scouting one day around here and just find all the good twisty roads.
Now, I will tell you, one thing that I really enjoy doing is like going and like just getting lost.
This is from second gear. Damn, that feel good. Okay. There's a lot of fucking people. It's like they all left one event at the same time.
For real, they're all Virginia tags.
Oh shit. Yeah, maybe something was happening in Virginia. Yeah, more Virginia.
Huh. That's fucking weird.
She was kind of cute. Get a picture.
Thought about upgrading to a TT. Not that one, but like a
TTRS.
Exactly. The like a 1314, because it's the last year. No, it's a 1213. Last year they made the manual. I gotta have a manual.
I feel you. My Z's a manual.
I know they're slower, but it's just more fun, man.
Yeah. I mean, this is still faster than my automatic.
If this were DSG, though, it would be way faster. Like, it is what it is.
Shit.
How you like the clutch?
The clutch feels nice. It took me a second to get used to it, but like,
Yeah.
I've definitely done worse. I think I stalled my Z 2 or 3 times when I first got it. And that's a stock clutch, I'm pretty sure. So.
Yeah, it is a South Bend stage 3.
I hear a lot of talk about South Bend
They are
cars.
so good, man.
Mm-hmm.
I have no complaints about this clutch.
This feels good. I really like these interiors.
Yeah.
See, because like mine, I got the Autobahn and it's got like the leather door inserts. Them shits are so saggy now because that adhesive doesn't hold.
Oh. Yeah, so this is a Sport, which comes with the cloth seats and all that. And a lot of people prefer the leather seats. I like cloth seats.
I feel you. Because mine has cloth seats, but it was, like I said, it was an Autobahn. It originally came with leather, so I'm assuming a previous owner swapped them for cloths, which I'm not mad about.
Yeah, because I've had leather seats in plenty of my cars, and like wearing shorts right now.
That shit get hot, man.
Bro, like we're both wearing shorts. You sit down in a leather seat, burn your damn thighs.
Right.
Like it. Yeah.
And then it get hot, man. You ain't got no AC, boy. Your back gonna get all mushy. I just rather take the cloths and then like just what you call it?
Don't spill shit on them.
Nah.
Like that's all you gotta do.
I was looking for a second. Nah, I would just do the cleaning. What is it? It's like with water. It's like a shot, not a shot vac. You know what I'm talking about? It's the fucking. They like soak them. You know
The carpet doctor thing.
Yeah, that type shit.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Okay, there we go.
Get all them farts and dookie stains out.
Yeah.
How you feel about that new Z? I love the way it looks.
We're gonna wait and see. I want to see it on the road. I think it looks good. But a lot of times, a lot of these newer cars, I've been noticing they show pictures of them and you're kind of like, I don't know about that. But then you see them in person. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that works.
Well, that was a lot of fun. And that's probably making like 350 wheel, because I mean, it's an IS38, but it's like an off-the-shelf tune. And I don't think it's being pushed too hard. So yeah, because you could still do like all the fueling upgrades, and then you got ethanol. You could really push it a little bit more, but that felt really good, and I think that'll feel really good in my car. Still on the fence about going big turbo. I'm not sure yet, but I appreciate it, bro. You letting me drive the whip, man.
Anytime, man.
We gotta hang sometime. Go to some meets or something, man.
Yeah. Just you gotta let me know, man.
I got you.
Because I don't. Yeah, like I said, I never just think to go out.
Appreciate it, though. Yeah, man, I'll be around, bro. I'll hit you up sometime when I'm out and about, or if some shit's going on. I'll be sure to hit you up.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right, man.
All right.
Well, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, you know what to do. Peace out.